The biggest communication problem is we don't listen to understand. We listen to reply. No, this isn't relationship therapy. I'm talking about webhooks and APIs, two ways in which the software tools in your practice speak with each other. Essentially, they're the middleman between your software applications. One is triggered by an event. That's webhooks. And the other requires you to make requests. That's APIs. Today, we're going to talk about webhooks. A webhook requires an event to happen before passing that information to another system or having it take an action in another system. So, for example, maybe someone completed your client intake form and generated all of their documents and populated them all throughout on Gavel. You might have an event that you call documents generated. Now, based on the document generation event, meaning every time that a client goes in, fills out the client intake, the documents automatically get generated, then the webhook could be set up to trigger all of those documents to be sent over into your document management system. Another example of this is if every time that your client completed a client intake, maybe you want some or all of that data to go into specific fields in your Google spreadsheet, or you want it to go into specific fields inside of your practice management system. Implementing webhooks can be really simple, and it's a good way to connect these two different tools. So you can use a tool like Zapier to make it easier, and many of these programs also have built-in integrations. Drop me a note if you want me to talk more about how webhook requests and URLs are set up. And as always, I'm Dorna at Gavel, and I talk about how lawyers use tech.